Taste of the Wild is an all-natural dog food that is well suited to boxers. It is human-grade dog food. The meat content is wild game and all hormone-free. It contains wild game meats that are also hormone-free. Additionally, there are small amounts of roasted and smoked meats in this food. Your dog might love the different taste. This food contains 32% protein and 18% fat. There are carbohydrates in this food. That being said, the main source of the carbohydrates is sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a healthier alternative because they are lower on the glycemic index than white potatoes. Additionally, sweet potatoes contain antioxidants. This food also contains protein from bison, chicken meal, egg product, lamb meal, peas, potatoes and canola oil. Pros: great taste from smoked meats your dog will love. Complex carbohydrates from sweet potatoes are good for your dog. The protein source is hormone-free wild game. This dog food is human-grade. Cons: this healthy food has a less than ideal omega to omega fat ratio of 9.3 to 1. This can generally be supplemented, however, by providing your dog fish oil. Always speak with your vet before giving your dog any type of supplement. This dog food costs more than some other foods. Wellness Core Natural Grain-Free Dry Dog Food has a name that says it all. The food is for adult dogs and contains turkey, chicken, salmon oil and fruits and vegetables. Additionally, the food contains antioxidants, probiotics, vitamins, and minerals. Furthermore, it features the fish and flax omega blend. This blend keeps your dog's skin and coat in prime condition. The manufacturer states there are no meat byproducts or fillers, grain, corn, soy, or wheat gluten in the food. There are also no artificial preservatives, colors or flavors. It is made in the United States and backed by a wellness guarantee. Pros: high-quality protein sources from whole foods are good for your dog. There are fruits and vegetables in this food that have a high antioxidant content. This food has probiotics and healthy fish oils. Cons: some dogs have a negative digestive reaction to this food. Watch out for loose and bad-smelling stools to vomiting. Sometimes this food is sold past its best freshness date. Inspect the food carefully before feeding it to your dog. It has less preservatives than some other shelf-stable dog food.